In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a drop-down menu field in Adobe Acrobat. Adding a drop-down menu can significantly enhance the functionality of your PDF forms by allowing users to choose from a list of predefined options, making the form filling process more streamlined and efficient. So let's jump right in. First, you'll want to open the PDF document in which you'd like to add this interactive element. Once your document is open, head over to the Edit pane, which you can usually find on the right side of your screen. From there, look for the option labeled Prepare Form and give it a click. This feature is designed to help you create and edit form fields easily, and it will bring up a secondary toolbar at the top of your screen once selected. With the Prepare Form toolbar now visible, you're ready to move on to the next step, which is selecting the tool you'll use to create your drop-down menu. In the toolbar, you'll see various icons representing different types of form fields. Look for the icon that resembles a small box with a downward arrow. This is the drop-down icon. Clicking on this icon will activate the tool, allowing you to place a drop-down menu on your PDF. Now that you've selected the tool, it's time to decide where you want your drop-down menu to appear on the page. Simply click on the desired location within your document. You'll notice a blue bounding box will appear, indicating the position and size of your new field. If the default size doesn't quite fit your layout or aesthetic preferences, don't worry. You can easily resize it by clicking and dragging the corners or edges of the blue bounding box. Adjust it until it perfectly aligns with your overall design. And there you have it. Your drop-down menu field is now part of your PDF. Remember, you can further customize this menu by adding options for users to select from, but that's a topic for another tutorial. With practice, you'll be able to create sophisticated, user-friendly forms that meet your specific needs. I hope this quick guide has made the process of adding a drop-down menu field in Adobe Acrobat clear and simple. Whether you're designing forms for business, education, or personal projects, this feature can be a game changer in terms of efficiency and user experience. Thanks for watching and happy form building.